Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone looking to cultivate their own herbs and vegetables at home, the AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Hydroponic Garden System. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the AeroGarden Harvest? This innovative indoor gardening system allows you to grow your favorite plants, whether they're vegetables, herbs, or flowers, without the mess of traditional soil gardening. Instead, the AeroGarden uses a hydroponic system, which means your plants grow in water, making it a clean and easy way to enjoy gardening year-round. One of the standout features of the AeroGarden Harvest is its ability to accommodate up to 6 different plants at once. Its compact countertop design includes a spacious grow deck and water bowl, allowing you to grow plants up to 12 inches tall. This means you can have a variety of herbs like basil, parsley, and mint thriving together in one convenient space. Equally impressive is the high-performance 20W LED grow light, which mimics natural sunlight. This light is equipped with an automatic on-off timer, ensuring your plants receive the right amount of light throughout the day. With this feature, your plants can germinate up to 5 times faster than they would in soil, giving you quicker access to fresh, homegrown herbs. The AeroGarden Harvest is designed with ease of use in mind. It features a touch-sensitive illuminated control panel that reminds you when to add water and plant food, making your gardening experience worry-free. This means even if you're a beginner, you can confidently grow your own herbs and vegetables without feeling overwhelmed. So, who is the AeroGarden Harvest suitable for? It's perfect for anyone, from busy professionals who want to enjoy fresh herbs in their cooking, to families looking for a fun and educational project to do with their kids. Even if you live in an apartment or have limited outdoor space, this indoor garden system fits seamlessly into any kitchen or living area. Practical use cases for the AeroGarden are abundant. Imagine slicing fresh basil straight from your garden to add to a homemade pizza or garnishing your favorite dish with freshly snipped parsley. It's not just about the convenience, it's about the joy of growing your own food and knowing exactly where it comes from. Plus, having easy access to fresh herbs can elevate your cooking game and inspire you to try new recipes. In summary, the AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Hydroponic Garden System is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their indoor gardening journey. With its user-friendly features, compact design, and ability to grow a variety of plants, it's a great investment for your kitchen